US government came out with a new plan to restrict investment into Chinese technology companies and technology sector in general. This is nothing new. They've done this already for quite some time, but now this goes further beyond what the previous regulations have entailed. I think this is number one. This is anti-free market, which the US had claimed to be a champion of free market. This is politicizing markets, politicizing technology development. But is this going to have any effect on China's technology development? I don't think so. China has already demonstrated that Chinese companies, Chinese people, Chinese scientists, Chinese engineers have the full capacity to develop independently despite restrictions from the US already on a number of technology sectors. But I think the most interesting result that will occur here is that this will accelerate China's domestic development of technology and sciences. This, in effect, is going to impact on the US in a way that's totally different from what they had expected. Because what is IP? Intellectual property, patents. It is actually rent-seeking by those who had the capacity to develop technology, right? And US has been the main beneficiary or the main rent-seeker from technology developments. Now, if you don't let your capital, your investors, participate on China's technology development, then you're actually making your own capital less competitive in terms of the global technology market. I think this is really something, it's lifting a stone to drop it on one's own foot, because then the IP will be owned by others. And in this case, it will be mostly owned by the Chinese government. It will be mostly owned by Chinese companies and Chinese capital. Well, that's too bad. You're rent-seeking from your control of global IP in technology will certainly find a big gaping hole in which the Chinese side, the Chinese technical specialists, the Chinese scientists, and the Chinese capital that invests in technology will benefit and you will not.